credit approval.
Yeah.
Dealer participation may affect final price.
Yeah. This is it, the beginning of your party music marathon with money in music. Friday, my attitude is showing. JoJo Cooking here on Q106. Write the song down. Word up. This will get you $106 if you count to win on the Q. Friday, party time, weekend, beginning, now it's 5 o'clock if you're ready to do it. Quitting time. KKLQ, AM and FM, San Diego. If you're ready, let's get cooking. Cooking for the weekend.
Everyone's watching to see what you do.
Carrying on. Ride the pony. Yeah. Ow. Feels good. San Diego's new Q106 is Friday, and I'm cooking.
JoJo Kincaid.
Go ahead. Ask me.
What time is it?
Just after 5 o'clock, it's time to party, baby.
I still got 10 seconds to get to the dance floor.
Monster music in the marathon and free money. $106 coming up for you on the Q.
Yeah.
San Diego's new Q106. JoJo Cooking, funkin' out, baby. Big earthquake yesterday in Los Angeles. This is the weekend kickoff, so I can, I feel the ground shaking again here. It's Friday, I'm feeling real good. Weather for San Diego, beautiful. 70s and 80s all weekend long. Shake, baby. Yeah.
A better mix of music all weekend long. The new Q106.
It's been a hard day's night, and now I feel alright.
San Diego's new Q106. JoJo Cooking here with a weekend kickoff. Of course, the big deal this weekend, the San Diego Crush Media All-Star softball team will be playing the Jacksons. This is for Community Pride Fair coming up this Sunday. Doors open at 12 noon. The first game at 1 o'clock. Also, the staff from St. Elsewhere's will be there to play. Michael couldn't make it. He has no balls. You got to bring your own equipment. You know what I mean?